The handling characteristics of the new CL coupes are designed to reflect the special nature of the vehicle, a sporty dynamism and agility coupled with a maximum level of comfort and safety. After over 20 years of research and development, a completely new type of suspension and damping system will now be introduced, making car driving even safer and more comfortable. ABC Active Body Control. Active body control actively influences the suspension and damping of the vehicle, adapting it to the particular situation at lightning speed. A suspension strut consisting of a steel coil spring with a shock absorber connected in parallel and a hydraulically controlled adjusting cylinder is located between the vehicle body and wheel. Adjusting the cylinder in the direction of the suspension strut changes the suspension length. This creates a force which influences the suspension and damping of the vehicle in the frequency range up to 5 Hz. In other words, vibrations which usually occur through ground irregularities when moving off or braking or on bends. Two powerful microcomputers control the high-pressure hydraulics with the aid of signals from sensors which are continually indicating the current movement of the vehicle body. A longitudinal acceleration sensor records the current acceleration or deceleration of the vehicle. A transverse acceleration sensor records the current transverse forces. 3 vertical acceleration sensors register vertical motion, pitching and rolling. A level sensor for each wheel records the current level of the vehicle, and a displacement sensor for each suspension strut records the actual position of the adjustment cylinder. Through this complex system of sensors, the active body control function can detect the movement of the body as it occurs and correct it in a fraction of a second. With definite advantages as regards comfort, safety and handling. The driver notices ABC through its sports car-like characteristics, while a pleasant, well-cushioned suspension behavior ensures there's no loss of comfort. The new CL negotiates bends with a greatly reduced body roll. During fast maneuvers to avoid obstacles, it's able to offer a far higher level of safety than cars fitted with conventional suspension. The advantages of ABC also come to the fore when braking and accelerating, namely considerably reduced pitching. A mere press of a button will select a sportier suspension adjustment, providing a somewhat firmer suspension characteristic and more direct response to steering movements, with inclination on bends being almost fully compensated. Over and above the advantages in driving dynamics, active body control also provides an automatic all-round level control system which is adapted to the actual loading of the car. The driver can also manually set the ground clearance at one of 2 levels. As the speed increases, the body then drops back down automatically, thereby providing greater stability. It will drop up to 10 millimeters below the normal level at 140 kilometers per hour. This reduces air resistance and fuel consumption. The new ABC suspension and damping system provides a better solution to the classic conflict of aims. Outstanding ride comfort can now be combined with a highly dynamic, sporty car, and above all, with increased safety. The S600 is to be fitted with ABC as standard, replacing the Airmatic suspension.